The matter is to fight out the BJP and bolt out them. Khela hobe. I think Moise is 100% correct. You have to sing for the future. You, the civic society, you have a very big role to play. India loves manpower, not muscle power. And unity in diversity is our origin. If you want to protect that, yes. Unfortunately, we are facing the cruel attitude and undemocratic attitude, unethical. And I don't know how we have been tortured by, in the name of right-wing, one political party, BJP. I'm sorry to mention the name. But if we are together, I am always very confident. If you are bold, I know Moise, you have been victimized also. Saurabh is also victimized. There are so many. Somebody can open their face, somebody cannot open their face. But let us not divide the society, not divide the country. We are all one. If we want to really fight with them, let us be united. Wherever you are, speak out, bold out them. You can bold out. We can fight it out. Never say no, never say cannot. We can. And that's why instead of political party will do their jobs. But you are the main pillar of the society. You do your job also. You advise us. You people guide us. You give us the suggestion so that you control the political parties that you have to do like this and you have to save the country. Our motto is to save the country, to save the democracy. If you want to save the democracy, then we have to work together. Means your society is a big society. It cannot be left out. That's why we are here.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. Mr. Javed Anand, he is the co-editor of Communalism Combat, and besides that he is running a very important organization, Muslim for Secular Democracy. ये कम्युनलिज्म कॉम्बैट अगर on one side एक जनरल एटीट्यूड है उसका कम्युनलिज्म के खिलाफ, तो मुस्लिम फॉर सेकुलर डेमोक्रेसी is there to fight with the right wing within the community, and they have contributed a lot and they have brought a lot of awareness within the community. I'll ask him.
Madam, thank you for coming to Mumbai, for giving us this opportunity to express our admiration for you. We are, I think, among the crores of people in this country, not just in Bengal, but all over the country, who are full of admiration for what you did and the example you showed the nation in West Bengal during the assembly elections.
Okay.
I think not only did you kind of defeat the BJP thoroughly in West Bengal, you also showed the way to fight the BJP nationally. That is the way the BJP has to be fought, not through kind of sometimes here, sometimes there kind of politics. So therefore, my heartfelt gratitude to you. While I heartily welcome your coming here, I also must say that some of us have a little apprehension. In Maharashtra, we were under BJP rule till not so long back, and then you are aware of the arrangement that has been arrived at between three political parties, as a result of which we are able to breathe easy in this state today. As a national leader, you obviously have an aspiration to grow, and our best wishes are with you for growth. But we are also concerned that nothing should upset this kind of arrangement that is here to bring the demons of the BJP back to Maharashtra. That is my question.
Wow. No, it depends on state to state. India is a vast country. And India, there are so many multi-political system is also there. So what is going on Maharashtra, why we will be disturbed in that system? That we are not. Where there is no possibility, where Congress is not going to compromise the fight, means compromise means they are not fighting the battles. There BJP is growing. There we will not allow BJP to grow. There we have to work together.
Shobha De, another person who doesn't meet in Indonesia, an extremely popular writer, erudite, column writer, and she has a defective dictionary. The word fear is not in it.
Thank you for those kind words. Namaskar and welcome to Mumbai, and for the opportunity to listen to you closely. It's a very critical time in India, and all of us need to be sensitized to the next election, what lies ahead, the UP elections, and of course, what we are going to see. My question is simple and straightforward, and maybe only you can answer it because you can say it like it is without hearing anything or anybody. And Mumbai is the kind of city where you can speak your mind. All of us here who have been speaking our minds, well, we're still here and we're still speaking our minds and will continue to do so. So this is the moment that I want to ask you, who should be the next Prime Minister of India?
Who? Why don't you try for yourself also?
I'm not a,
As a citizen of this country, you can also do it.
I'm not a politician, madam.
So what? Only politician will do that. The others also can do it.
I'm very happy.
You see, I am just introducing my Dr. Bosch. He is my education minister, but he is from the drama field. He is a big film star and also theatre, from the theatre. Theatre field is very popular. So if they can do it, you can also do it. You are also very popular.
Madam, we are hoping that you would have said
No,
I
the
will be Prime Minister.
matter is not for Prime Minister. The matter is the great importance whether we are able to save the democracy or not. Let us all first motto to voice out BJP from this country. Politically. Then it will be decided who will be Prime Minister, who are not. It depends on the state
That's
level.
all. We need a leader, we need a face that we can say, if not him, if not Modi, then who? So I was hoping you would say it would be yourself.
Automatically the situation will
Thank you.
decide all this.
Thank you.
I don't think that Prime Minister who will be the Prime Minister, that is the matter right now. The matter is to fight out the BJP and bolt out them. Khela hobe.
এখন নিউজ দেখুন আপনার সময় মতো, আপনার হাতের মুঠোয় রাজ্য, দেশ, দুনিয়া। ডাউনলোড করুন জি24 ঘন্টা অ্যাপ। এক ক্লিকেই পান সব আপডেট।